One of the things we strive at here at Superior is best in class, and that's just not, a slogan or whatever. It's our culture out here. Not only in the construction of the equipment, the manufacturing of it, the design of the equipment, and the support of the equipment. We put more screens into wet applications than most other manufacturers. And because of that, we look at those critical areas where water can be an issue, and we take an extra step to make sure those areas are sealed. We use high-grade sealants between the layers of plate. We don't use just general construction caulks. We use O-ring mechanical seals on the internal fasteners of the gear case, additional O-ring seals where the bearing spindle mounts into the main housing that other manufacturers don't do. We've got valves on every one of the water lines going to the various spray bars. We use galvanized piping on all the spray bars, and then brass nozzles. A lot of folks use just black piping, which corrodes over time. So we take that extra step to use galvanized piping wherever possible to prevent corrosion from plugging up the nozzles. We've got the boots that seal it up to the side of the screen. We'll clamp these rubber boots in place so there's no leakage out the sidewalls. So we've taken a lot of care to make sure this is a really good quality spray system for getting the best performance.